Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about the beautiful Turkish actress Sila Türkoğlu. She just shared a brand new photos on Instagram. Sila reshared a story from a friend. In the picture, she is standing with a group of friends. But what catch many fans' eyes with the presence of Ata Yildiz in the photos. They two are seen together with a group of friends and colleagues, creating a wonderful in the shot. Sila and Ata look very happy. Sila is wearing a long stylish coat and looks wonderful. They seem to be at an event called Red Rabbit, White Rabbit. It looked like a very fun night out with colleagues. Fans are so happy to see Sila smiling and spending time with her friends. Her natural beauty and kind personality always shine through in her photos. What do you think of new photo? Tell us in the comment.